Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to mathematics class. This is your answer, and here I come with the new exercise, that is exercise 6.3. And I'm sorry, today I forgot to mention the date. So today please you mention the date in your exercise copy. It's 3rd July 2020 and it's Friday. Okay, you please mention the day and date. So students, today we are going to start exercise 6.3. Now last video we have completed exercise 6.2, and this one is very easy. Let me start without any delay. Let's start the question. Let me read out the question first. Look at your screen. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? Now you need to understand the question properly. Here are some big numbers, so I will start with a very easy number so you will understand what the question is asking you. What would be the possible ones digit? Ones digit is also known as unit digit, isn't it? Of a square root of each of the following numbers. I will take the easiest number whose square root you already know it, okay? Like 121. 129 is the square of 11. When you do 11 into 11, you get 121, isn't it? And the square root of 121 is 11. This is related to each other. The square of 11 is 121 and the square root of 121 is only 11. Okay, I'll take the other number. Like if you do 12 square, that means 12 into 12, you get 144. So the square of 12 is 144 and the square root of 144 is 12. Now here the question is asking you, this number is given, like here is 144, isn't it? This number is given. Now the question is asking you the square root of this number, what is there in the unit place, ones digit? What is here in the ones digit? 2, isn't it? So the same thing question is asking you. I'm again giving you the other example. Supposedly I take 169. And do you know what is the square root of 169? 13. So the square root of 169 is 13. So here we don't know what is the square root of these numbers, okay? Like the square root of 169 is 13. So what is in the unit digit? 3. So 3 is the answer. The same way, what the question is asking you is, in the square root of these numbers, what is there in the unit place, in the ones place? But you don't have to find the square root of all the number. Like the example which I gave you, like 121 and 144, these are easy number. We know the square root of 129 is 11, so the ones digit is 1. 144 square root is 12, so the ones digit is 2. These are small numbers, so we know the square root. But here it's a big number, we don't know the square root, but we will not find it also because question is asking you only ones digit. So there is a small trick in which you can easily get the ones digit of the square root of the given number. Okay, now see what is the trick. You just need to see here, I have written the squares of all the numbers from 1 to 10. Squares of all the number. And we know now, I think you are clear, 1 square is 1 and the square root of 1 is 1. Like here 2 square is equal to 4. I can say the square of 2 is 4 and the square root of 4 is 2, isn't it? So what you have to check is, here what is the, in this number, what is the unit digit? 1. So you check in which square 1 come in unit place. This is in unit place 1. Here is in tens place, so we'll not count this. Unit place here is 1. So this and this, there are two numbers where you get 1 in the unit place because here is 1. Okay, that's why I'm checking this. Now this is related to which number? 1. And what is here? 9. That's why answer is either in the unit place of the square root of 9801 there will be 1 or 9. I know some of you are confused. Now see the next one, then you'll understand. What is the unit place here? 6. Now let us check where is 6 in the unit place. It's here 6, and here also 6 is in the unit place, but we will not take this 6 because this is in the tens place, ones tens. Okay, so this 6 is the square of 4 and this 36 is the square of 6. So 4 and or 6 is the answer. I think now most of you are clear with this, isn't it? Now let's see this one again. 1 unit digit 1, it will be the same answer, 1 or 9. So 1 or 9. Let us go to the last number, that is what is unit digit? 5. In all these numbers 5 is only present here in one's digit, so the answer for this is 5 only. So we have written 5 over here. I think you are clear with this. This is very easy, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 2.